So now we may want to look at this in profile. So we can come in here and I'll just right click on this, say start profile plot, and I'll go over to where I'm discharging to. It'll find the shortest path for me. I'll just right click and say done. And then it's going to go and compute for me my profile. And this is fully hydrodynamic. So if you have backwater or flow reversals or anything like that, you can see. So here we can see actually goes through a hydraulic jump. It's actually, it's computing at the nodes or at the manholes what the water surface elevation is. So that's kind of telling us that's where our flooding is. And that matches what we had out in the field when we observed that. Now you may say, well, I want to go and resize this pipe, right? So if I select that pipe, I can inch that pipe up or down, or inch the inverts up or down, or I can just change the pipe size interactively right here. Or I may want to go in and compare it, right? So I can go over here and look at my pulse development, which I've redone for our system. So I bumped these 2 pipes up, or 3 pipes up, and you see I got it back within there, right? So I'm trying to minimize the amount of construction cost to get this fixed. And then I might want to go and create an exhibit showing what existing and proposed looks like. So I can turn on the existing conditions, and we can see if I plot in there, you can see my HGL for my pre-dev. You can see that plotted here in our legend. You may want to put in the EGL lines, and those will pop in here too. And then you may want to ship this back over to Civil 3D. So right now it's through a LaneXML format, but again, we're going to have that synchronized button coming out shortly here. And then you may want to go and publish this. You can send this over to a CAD file or a PDF file, or to a graphical image or whatever. Or again, you can share that back through LaneXML, or we just might want to go and put this in a report. So I'll just right click, say copy, copies it to my clipboard, and I can go and close this up and go and fire up Microsoft Word. Let me go and create a new document here, and I'll just come in here, paste that in. And there's our graphic, right? But anyways.